Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would play around with some makeup because I'm home and I've got makeup that needs playing with. I figured that sounded like a plan. I'm liking the palette now, that's great. This is the Sleek palette that we're playing with. It's the I Divine a Bad Girl palette. I've had it for a while now, haven't actually played with it. When I got it, I'm like, really know why I got it because the colours didn't really inspire me that much, but now that it's winter, well, I would have a go. The only thing is it doesn't really have like a good transition colour, so I'm going to dip into the W7 Major Matte palette because it's all matte and it's got some decent transition colours. So yeah, I've primed my lids. Ignore the eyebrows, it's a bad eyebrow day. Yeah, that's a thing. I'm trying to change up my background a little bit. I got this little cute little bunting thing from Kmart. So, let me know what you think. I don't know, kind of looks cute. Let me know. Also got new lighting. Trying to play around with it. Yeah, we're going to dive right on in. Don't know what look I'm going to do as per usual, but we're going to start. I've tried the don't set your lid before doing eyeshadow. It doesn't work for me. I don't know why. I'm just setting it with like a matte cream colour in the palette. I'm going back to the old-fashioned technique where you set your lids because that works for me. I'm going to zoom you in. You seem like really far away. Alright, that any better. We're all up and close and personal now. Alrighty. So yeah. Playing with, trying not to blind you, these colours. Addition colour time. It's obviously going to be a cool tone look, being winter. So yeah. Dipping into that colour there. I forget how pigmented these W7 eyeshadows are, like for a $5 palette that I got on eBay. This is my all-time favourite brush. It's the BYS synthetic brush. It's so good. Okay, so we've got the transition on. I think because there's only a couple of mattes in this shade and they're all like darkish colours, I'm going to go in with the burgundy because why not? Alright. Picks up quite well. Well, that's nice. Very smooth to blend out. This is the Designer Brands by DB. What are you? Eyeshadow blending brush from last year. That's a really pretty shade. That's really pretty. They blend out really quite well, the matte there. Doesn't seem patchy. Maybe a little bit patchy, but I can build it up. So far, I'm actually really enjoying these shadows. They're not patchy, super smooth to blend out. Really nice plummy colour, which is great. going to cut the crease with the Essence 16-hour Stay All Day Concealer. See how we go cutting the crease, because good Okay, so going back into the W7 palette, I'm going to take that same matte just to set where we cut. Alright, I'm going to try glitter, because glitter. You don't need a reason for glitter, but I've got the new Essence glitter primer. Alright, so it's a little squeezy doobie thing. Oh, looks like something I can't say on camera. And it's quite, it's not runny, but it's like not thin, and it's got like colour to it. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but we're gonna go in with what colour? I think maybe that one, Life of the Party. Take this end of the brush, because Essence had a similar looking brush that they were selling, and I'm like, I've already got brushes like that. Oh, that's so pretty. Glitter. Ooh, yes. I'm just gonna try and pack it on without getting it all over me. I've got it all over the palette. You do waste a lot. They're really pretty. I literally got glitter everywhere. I even got glitter up my nose, so that's a thing. Gonna try the Essence Super Large 18-hour liquid liner on the kind of a little bit, not even, but Essence Mascara. I like them big. That's what she said. That's the one. Ooh, actually, very volumizing. Yeah, that's a very volumizing mascara. Quite like that. I'm going to try the other one on the other eye just to see what it's like. The other one, meaning that one. That's the Super Curl one. Cute. I hate when you've got cheap mascaras and it's like got that little flicky tail crap at the end. I friggin' hate that. They're actually not looking too horrible for a cut crease that I rarely ever do. These mascaras are decent. That one's more of a wet formula, quite dry and clumpy, but not bad. Gonna go onto the face. I've already primed, haven't got a new primer, but I'm just gonna whack on the W7 Ingenious foundation because I haven't used this in forever. I'm literally gonna be sneezing out glitter for days because I'm pretty sure I snorted it. I don't think you meant to snort glitter, but I don't know how I feel about the primer being a coloured, not the glitter. What are we? I think you're a glitter primer. glitter primer being coloured, because if it was clear, I don't think it would blend easier. Alright. Foundation brush. I definitely need more. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that cut crease. I don't do cut creases, let alone film them, because they're hard to do, and this is the first time actually playing with glitter. Concealer time. Not happy about that wing kind of smudging a little bit, but could be me, could be the product. Could also be the glitter. Quite like this concealer so far. With I'm going to be using the Brighten Up peach powder. It's essentially a mattifying powder, but in peach. Don't really know how it's going to work. Or if it will do anything, but it's definitely mattified. Actually, that looks quite nice on the skin. Ooh, I like that. I like that. To bronze with, I'm just using a really old product by Essence. It's the Lights of Orient bronzer. It's a limited edition past thing that they had out ages ago. It's my only bronzer by Essence, but I really like it. I really like that peach Brighten Up powder. That's nice. Like, it's really smoothing on the skin. That concealer's nice. Alright, I'm going to try and do under the eye bits quickly. Not much, but I'm going to go take that plummy shade. Yeah, close up, I really do like that peachy thing. Blush. The matte touch blush in Bury Me Up. Fix up right. Quite a pretty colour. I am, however, going to use either this one in Woodsy Rose, I think it is, or that one. Maybe that one. Alright. I can feel the glitter on me. Comes in a little... That's a really pretty colour, and it goes with this look so nicely. Managed to get more of them. I like them. To set everything, oh, highlighting. Almost friggin' forgot, didn't I? This is actually a highlighting brush. I'm just going to take the... Look how much glitter I got on the palette. I know. Take that to highlight with. Come through highlight. So pretty. Just yeah, everyday kind of soft glam look for going to the shops with. I'm gonna fix up my hair and talk about some of the products and show you the look. So this is the final look. Quite happy with how it turned out, considering I'm not a beauty guru as such, you know. I think. Love this. Really comfortable on the lips. Quite happy with, I just got glitter everywhere then. Quite happy with the quality of this sleek palette. Easy to blend. Good colours. What else did I like? I liked the concealer a lot. This was a surprising highlight because I did not think it would actually do anything being a peach colour, but I was wrong. I like it a lot. Good. And the mascaras are a fave. So yeah, quite happy with these products. As always, if you like these kind of videos, do give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye!